Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Valerie again with another video. I had promised you guys about the avocado video, but I didn't do it last time due to technical issues as I had said, but today we are here. So let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and the button just below there written subscribe, the red thing, click it and click the bell aside it till it turns black so that you can be notified by YouTube every time I post a video. Stay tuned guys. So guys, I have my guacamole here. These are two medium-sized avocados. As you can see, I didn't get the time to blend them, so I just placed them in a bowl and mixed them up like that. Then I have my extra virgin olive oil. I'll just be adding this to add some more oil into my hair. And I have an essential oil here, eucalyptus oil. So we're going to just add eucalyptus oil. Don't put too much, because if you put too much it will itch. I'm just going to put a few drops, one, maybe two. That's enough of the eucalyptus oil. Then for the olive oil, I'll be generous a bit, just a little, like that. Then we're gonna mix it up. So we're gonna mix. The eucalyptus has a very, very nice scent. You know, the essential oils, they're very good for your hair, for your scalp. This is very good for itchy scalps. And then this is an oil that your hair strands usually absorbs quickly, so it won't block. And then the avocado oil is a sun protector for your hair. It moisturizes your hair, it improves growth, it nourishes your scalp and all that. And as you can see, it's very natural. I'm using completely natural things because I don't want us to miss the gist. So let's head to the bathroom and put this in our hair. So guys, we're in the bathroom. I have my mixture here. I'm going to apply it on my hair. I did some tutors on my head, so for these purposes. So we're going to apply. Yep. Oh, can you see that curl pattern, guys? See that? Hey. Yeah. So we're just going to pick some avocado and apply. Avocado is really messy. That's why I chose it to do it in the bathroom. It can mess up my bedroom. So I'll just do the avocado nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. A moment of silence for the curl pattern, guys. A moment of silence. Can you see that? Can you see what the avocado is doing? And I've just begun. Hey. So there we have it. I'm going to put it back into a strand. Then I get to the next one. I think that's it. That's it for that one. Let's do this one here. How avocado is doing to what avocado is doing to my hair. Can you see? Oh god! I think I'll be using this every week. Every week. Me and avocados. Let me put more on my scalp. Secret to our curls, girls. No more conditioners for me. Huh? There, so we're on the front. It's really good on your hair. The goodness of using natural products is that even when they fall on your hair, you don't have to worry about some rashes or some pimples, because there's no chemicals that will harm you inside there. It's just pure natural stuff. I'll finger detangle a bit. Whoosh! Avocado. Then I twist it up. Remember, this is a mask, so you need to be very generous with the avocado. Put all of it inside there. Then on this side. We're going to let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Don't let it stay for too long because avocado oxidizes very fast. So I'm going to let it sit for like 10-15 minutes, then I'll wash it out and give you the result, guys. So stay tuned. Hi guys, it's been about 20 minutes. Let me just show you. I had a polythene paper bag because I feel like it seals more heat compared to a heat cup. But yeah, so let's go rinse it out. Hi guys, I've rinsed out the avocado and you can see the curl pattern. This is just my hair, no gel, no nothing. Just after putting the avocado mask, leaving it for like 20 minutes and washing it out. Let me show you the back. Just check that out, guys. I hope you can see. Check out that curl pattern. And that is just avocado. Guys, you need to try it. You really need to try it. I'm really happy with the results. I'm really happy with how my hair feels. And I've just put avocado, some olive oil and eucalyptus. Nothing else. I've not added any additives. If you're not using avocado, girl, then I don't know what you're using. I don't know. I've even decided that I'm going to put off all my conditioners, the protein conditioners I use, and I'm just going to stick with natural products because whoa, can you see what it's doing? Can you see? Just check those curls. Literally my hair is popping with curls without gel. End out after avocado, or like the way we say it, avocado. End out after your avocado. So that's it, guys. I hope you've really enjoyed the video. Please share with your friends, subscribe to the channel, share everywhere, comment, leave in the comment section. Tell me how you feel about my hair. If it's really good, tell me down there how you love it, and try it on your hair and let me know the results, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye till next time.